Welcome to Clarity Pause. Did you know that cats can sleep up to 16 hours a day? For them, rest isn't laziness. It's actually survival. Just like for us, getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is essential for restoring our body and brain's functioning, boosting our immunity, and regulating our metabolism. So, when you're inclined to cut the lights out just a little bit early or move the alarm to just a little bit later, know that some of those choices are some of the healthiest you can make for yourself. Take care.